Bahamas.
Bahamas. So this is forward reverse Bahamas.
Bahamas! Hey Jude, you want to go to the Bahamas? Sir, we're already here, man. What? When did you kidnap me again? No, dude, you were so drunk last night. My God, I was so drunk. I was in Manila and now I'm in the Bahamas. Yes. How did that happen? Don't you see the beach? There's beaches in the Philippines.
Reverse.
There's beaches in the Philippines. I was in Manila last night and now I'm in the Bahamas. Are you here already? Dude, there's a beach right in front of you. How do I know you're in the Bahamas? But I was in Manila last night and now I'm in the Bahamas. How's that possible? Because we flew by plane.
Forward.
Wow, my God,
Forward.
I'll save you! I'll save you! Come on!
Forward. Reverse. Forward. Forward.
Pare, thanks for saving me, ha? My God, I was so tired. I thought I was in Manila. We're in the Bahamas pala. Oh my gosh. Parang never yun, ha?
Reverse.
Pare, I'm so tired. I'll save you! I'll save you! Ay, pare, sarap dito. How do I know you're in the Bahamas? We're in Manila last night. How did you bring me here? You kidnap me again? Baka lang sa Manila pangalan tayo. Ha? Ano nangyari? Seriously? Rizal? May Rizal sa Bahamas? Ah! How great our national hero! Para hindi tayo nakalis.
And see you.